Okay, today we're going to find the area of irregular shapes. What do I mean? Watch. Imagine I had a shape like this. Wow. Oops. Okay. And we wanted to find the area of it. How could we do this? Well, if we really look at it, this part is just a rectangle. This is a rectangle. And this is also a rectangle. So what we have to do is find the area of this rectangle, and then find the area of this rectangle, and add them up together. Well, how do we do that? Well, we just multiply the length going this way by the height, the width by the height. Let's say this part is 2 centimeters. Okay. And let's say this part is 6 centimeters. Okay, then this would be, the area of this rectangle would be 2 times 6, which would be 12. So wait, so this area is 12 square centimeters. Okay, now we have to find the area of this rectangle. How do we do that? Well, we multiply the height. Let's say the height is 3 centimeters by the base. And let's say the base is 2 centimeters. So we multiply the height by the base by the length of the base, which is 2 times 3, 6 square centimeters. And then we just add them up together. We add this area with this area to find the total area of the shape. And that would be 12 plus 6, which is 18 square centimeters. 18 square centimeters. So the area of this whole shape is 18 square centimeters. We could do this with another one. Let's say we got a shape like this. Okay, pretend like these are all straight lines that go perfectly straight. Okay, and let's say this part is and so we have to find the area of this. How do we do that? Well, we could cut it off into rectangles, like either like this, right here, or right here. So I'm just going to cut it right here. We'll say it's a combination of this rectangle and this rectangle. So what we have to do is find the area of this rectangle and find the area of this rectangle, and then add those areas up to find the whole area. Okay, and let's say this part is 10 centimeters. The height is 10 centimeters, and this is 1 centimeter. Okay, well, what's the area of this rectangle? Well, if 10 times 1, you multiply the height by the length of the base. 10 times 1 is just 10 centimeters. 10 square centimeters. And then we find the area of this rectangle. Well, how do we do that? Well, we just multiply the height of it by the length of the base. Well, let's say the length of the base right here is 7 centimeters, and this is 1 centimeter. Let me just multiply 7 times 1 to get the area, and that would be 7 square centimeters. So then we just add them up. We just add the areas together. And 7 plus 10 is 17. So the area of this whole shape is 17 square centimeters. And that's how you find the area of irregular shapes like that. You add up the areas of the individual rectangles. Amen. Amen. Goodbye. Goodbye. Good night.